Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can migrate your server in Odoo, so let's get right into it. I'll be covering a full migration from one server to another, and I'll be using this guide simply because I don't have the current facilities to be able to install new servers, so I hope you guys understand. Now, the first step when preparing for migration is you need to back up your data, so make sure you create a full backup of all your databases, files, and customizations, just so that you have in case any errors happen in the future. You should document your customizations, make sure you have everything documented, and also document the configuration settings so that you can set them up in the future on your new server. Then you need to configure the new server. You should also back up your data, choose a server that satisfies the technical requirements for installations, including CPU, RAM, storage, etc., and choose a server that runs an Odoo compatible operating system such as Ubuntu, Debian. You can also use Linux, other Linux installations, and you can use Windows as well. And you need to install the software packages needed to run Odoo. You need a web server, you need a database server such as PostgreSQL, Nginx is recommended for a web server here, but you can use whatever. And you need essential Python packages, which you need, which are usually included in the Odoo installation. Then you just need to copy your Odoo files to the new server, including a backup that you have already made, custom modules, and other files. Then you can migrate the database. You can restore the database backup on the new server. Just restore the one that you've backed up from your previous server, and you can just use this, use the PostgreSQL commands for this, or database management software if you have it. And then update the config, use the documentation you've made to make the same configurations there. Then you can reinstall and set up Odoo, so just install the same version of Odoo that was installed on the previous server, and you may need to either download manually, or you can use either pip, or you can use GitHub. Yeah, you can clone the repository for the installation you need, and then configure all the things that you need to configure to make them the same as they were before. Then migrate any custom modules or add-ons by just copying your custom modules, and you can examine compatibility. If something is not compatible, then you can just back it up, but don't restore it so that it doesn't break anything. And once you're done, just test everything and confirm, and that should be all you need to do. You can also configure the domain and DNS records if something went awry there, but that should not happen. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.